Good morning, Room 13 students. Happy Wednesday. Just a reminder, we do not have Zoom lessons today. Instead, I have assigned you some math, reading, grammar, and writing assignments for your day. What you need to do is go into your Google Classroom. So this is the fourth grade. And what you're going to notice, there are new links. All the ones that you need to do today on Wednesday are labeled here. It says Wednesday, August 26th, writing, Wednesday, August 26th, grammar, punctuation, there's reading, and there's math. Please click on each link. It will give you another separate link to click for your work. So for example, you click under Wednesday. Mine's gonna look a little bit different. There we go. This is what you should see. It says please use the Nearpod slides below to watch the videos and to use the draw tool for your answers on a slide. If they do ask you for a code to get into Nearpod, here is the code. What you can do is you can just hover your mouse above the link and you can click on it and it should bring you to a new page. This is the same for all my fifth graders. So if you are a fifth grader, I have posted some work for you as well, and they're all labeled under Wednesday, August 26th. You have your writing, you have reading, you have grammar, and you have a math fraction review. So you need to click on each of them and it should bring you to the assignment, and you can click on the Nearpod as well. And each Nearpod has their code. So please look right here for all your codes. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Constella. Feel free to message me on Google Classroom, or you can call me from the Google number, or you can email me. Have a good day. Bye.